All right, let's get you caught up. A lot of breaking news this morning. Starting in Fort Bend County, 4 people dead after an apparent murder-suicide. The sheriff's office just tweeted about this on Sebastian and Highway 6. ABC13's Raven Ambers is at that scene. Raven, what can you tell us this morning?
A very sad situation this morning. We do know that those 4 people are family members. The sheriff telling us that it's a mom, a father. They believe they're in their 30s and 40s, 2 teenage children and 2 dogs shot to death. The sheriff tells us that they do believe that the shooter was the father. The street is blocked off, and right now we can't see the home, but this started with a welfare check. The sheriff tells us that a mom called them saying that she was concerned about her son. The mom of that shooter concerned about her son. Now, we did hear from Sheriff Nels, who was teary-eyed this morning.
Obviously, there was something wrong, you know, to shoot your children, you know, and your pets, just everyone inside the home.
Again, a very sad situation that we're waking up to this morning. Police said that they're talking to a family member down the road, trying to figure out why this happened and what went wrong. Right now, we do not know the names of any of those victims. Reporting live in Fort Bend County, Raven Ambers, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
A tragic situation there. Raven, thanks. Also breaking this morning, a homeowner fighting back after an intruder tried to break in not once but twice in North Harris County. That homeowner ended up shooting the suspect 2 times, once in each leg. Deputies saved that intruder's life by quickly tying tourniquets for him. And also breaking this morning in Southwest Harris County, a Precinct 7 deputy is in the hospital right now. He was hit by a suspected intoxicated driver who was later arrested. That deputy was T-boned by the suspect on the South Beltway feeder road at Hillcroft. That happened around 3 this morning. Both the deputy and the driver were taken to the hospital, and at last check, that deputy was coming in and out of consciousness, currently undergoing testing. New this morning, state troopers in Brazoria County sheriff's deputies headed on a pretty crazy chase, all while a young child was in the car with the driver. Troopers tell ABC 13 it started in Brazoria, where they were trying to stop a suspect with multiple warrants. Well, the driver hit the gas, ended up going through Harris County near downtown and headed down I-45. The chase ended at a shopping center in Pearland Parkway. Officers took a man and woman into custody. That is when they found a child and dog also inside that car. Thankfully, they were not hurt and they were released to family members. And updating breaking news we brought you last night. A 40-year-old man and his 3-year-old son are both fighting for their lives. That's after being involved in a hit-and-run crash in CYPRESS. They were walking along Grant Road near Lakewood Forest when a car hit them. The 2 were airlifted to the hospital. Deputies found the car a short while later and detained 3 people inside. Well, the latest now on the coronavirus in our area. About a dozen local healthcare workers are now under quarantine after they were exposed to a patient who tested positive for COVID-19. Mayor Sylvester Turner now says he's thinking about declaring an emergency like Austin and San Antonio about this virus. ABC 13 reporter Deborah Wrigley is tracking the latest.
When 8 people from the Houston area returned from a trip to Egypt late last month, they were infected with the coronavirus but didn't know it. Several went to Memorial Hermann facilities after feeling sick, the locations not being identified by the hospital system.
We did report today to our employees that 11 of our healthcare workers suffered a potential exposure in the process of providing care to a patient.
At that point, Egypt wasn't listed as a country to avoid because of the outbreak. The patient discharged from the healthcare facility after news of the tour group becoming ill. The patient was recalled and tested for the virus. Friday, the test result was positive.
Our initial concern was making sure that all of our healthcare providers that were involved with caring for that patient are identified, or they're notified, and that right now they've undergone testing and are being quarantined.
3 are said to be showing mild symptoms. Now health authorities are trying to identify people and patients those workers had contact with. It shows the way a virus can spread. Austin and San Antonio declared a state of emergency for their cities. Houston Mayor Sylvester Turner considering it.
If it would help to expedite, for example, supplies to the city of Houston, like what we call personal protection equipment for our health care providers, or additional equipment for testing.
His concern is that might heighten anxiety about a new strain of virus for which there's yet no vaccine. Enough public concern that stores are sold out of hand sanitizer and disinfectants. It's the fear of the unknown. But what is known?
This disease is mild to moderate. 80% of the people with it are taking care of themselves at home with just over-the-counter medications for the symptoms that they're having.
Deborah Wrigley, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
All right, good morning. 7:15 now this morning, and if you're joining us, it's been kind of a cool start, but a nice start as we've already had daylight saving time begin. We lost an hour last night, but that means by this evening, sunset around 7:26. How about that? Tower camera, nice pink sunrise this morning. Nice start for us. Again, by this afternoon, we'll see activity kind of change, a little more cloud cover, a little bit warmer. The main story for us is going to be allergies for a while. Oak pollen and pine pollen, both in the extreme and very high counts respectively. We're talking in the thousands almost for both of them. 48 at Houston Hobby, 49 Houston Bush Airport, 54 in Waller County, 54 down towards Sugar Land. We'll see temperatures come up, though, pretty quickly by about noon into the mid to upper 60s. Then 70 by 3 o'clock, more cloud cover as well. I want to show you the 10-day forecast. We'll include stray rain chances, but not much. The main story tomorrow is going to be sea fog, really building in early to start your week of spring break for many. So if you're driving tomorrow morning and Tuesday morning, watch out for that fog. Apart from that, warming up into the 80s.
Hope you all are having a great weekend. We have several closures to get to for your drive around town this weekend, including the I-45 closure in downtown Houston, 610 West Loop ramps, and also FM 518 at 288 down in Pearland. Let's go to that one because this one lasts all weekend long. You'll see 2 lane closures each way, eastbound and westbound, right there at 288 on 518. That lasts all weekend long, so you'll want to use McCard as your alternate route. This is right here by Pearland Town Center, so a lot of traffic in that area anyway. Also, it is the first full weekend of rodeo, so be sure to go to ABC13.com and also our ABC13 Houston News app for your parking and transportation guide.